So next I will start the model number 2, introduction of FET, JFET, MOSFET and SCR. So first of all we'll discuss about the introduction of FET. The FET stands for Field Effect Transistor. Already you studied another type of transistor in the previous model, that is a BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So this is another type of transistor, that is a field effect transistor. So both transistor having the same three terminals. So in BJT, emitter, base and collector, and in FET, source, gate and drain terminals. So in BJT, what happens? Whatever the base current IB, the controlling input current IB, so this is controls the collector current IC. That's why it is called as a current controlled device. Similarly, in case of FET, at the input side we are applying the VGS voltage as a input voltage. VGS means voltage between gate and source, and this voltage we have to apply to the gate terminal, and with the help of this VGS voltage we can control the drain current, that is ID, output current. So that this FET is called as a voltage controlled device. Next, the types of FET. So the FET is classified into two more FETs. The first one is junction FET, that is called as a JFET. Another one is the MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor FET. And again in JFET and MOSFET we are classified according to the number of channels: N channel JFET, P channel JFET, and in this deflection MOSFET and enhancement MOSFET. These are the basic classifications of the FET. The next we'll discuss about the structure and symbol of the JFET. This is the first type of FET, junction field effect transistor. So first we'll discuss the structure of this JFET. So it is a one small bar of extrinsic semiconductor material, that is N-type material, and its two ends and two ohmic contacts are made between the drain and source terminal of the FET. And another thing, the P-type material, these are the heavily doped electrodes, heavily doped electrodes of P-type material, and it forms the PN junction on each side of the bar, and whatever the thin region between these two P gates, these two P-type material, that is called as a N channel. It is called as a N channel. So based on this gap, or based on the particular channel, so again this JFET is classified into N channel JFET and P channel JFET. And next, that whatever the electrons in the N-type material, so that electrons enters the particular channel through one terminal, that is called as a source, and the same electrons leave the particular region through the another terminal, that is called as a drain terminal. And after that, whatever the terminals taken out from heavily doped electrodes of p-type material, they are called as the gate or gates of p-type material. And these electrodes are connected together, and see, so two p-type materials are there. So one end of p-type is connected to the another end of p-type. So after connection, so we are taking only from one electrode, we are taking another terminal, that is called as a gate terminal. So based on this, we designed the symbol of the JFET: source, this is gate, and the drain.